Hey, Chris, what's going on, man? You still coming over later? Wonderful. Hey, listen, so I hate to ask, but Ryan's car broke down yesterday. Something about his tire or something. You think you could, like, swing by his house and pick him up? Oh, he's already there? Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah, just stop on over. I'd say come on over around, like, 4 o'clock, if that's cool. Yeah, perfect. All right, listen, man. I'm telling you, this year it's gonna be jaw-dropping. You're gonna love what I have in store for you guys. All right, man. Yeah. All right. Yeah. See you later. All right. Bye.
One last announcement, kids. Reminder, tomorrow is Bring Your Pet to School Day. Everybody have a wonderful day now.
Oh. How's it going, Chris?
Good, Ryan. How are you?
Good. How was school today, buddy?
In math today, we learned negatives and positives. I have no idea what I was doing.
You'll get there. But hey, we gotta hurry right now. We can't be late for Tom's Friendsgiving.
Oh, Friendsgiving, I'm starving.
Oh, me too.
Hey, just in time, man.
Thanks.
How you doing?
Good. I'm starving.
Hey, come on, Chris.
I'm starving, man. All right.
You know, we used to have Thanksgiving a long time ago at my grandmother's, but so we don't really have it there anymore. So I'm really glad that I can have it with some friends. So what are you guys waiting for? Go ahead, dig in. Don't be shy. So right here, I have some. Is everything good, guys? Please, do tell me.
No problem.
Oh, thank goodness, I thought there was something wrong. Well, hey guys, it's fresh out of the oven. You don't want it to get cold, so dig in. No one come to the back. Go on, you okay?
It's okay. Yeah, I just have strep throat. I have strep throat. It's fine.
All right, well, chill out, man.
I just need some rest. Thank you.
Well, I'll
Thank
feel
you.
bad. I'll make you a plate.
Nope. I'm good.
Ryan, I'll make you a plate. I don't want you to go home and have your stomach. Ryan, where are you going, Ryan? Where's he going? Ryan, where are you going? Is he sick on the way here?
I don't know.
Where's he going? Ryan?
You know, Tom, I actually ate beforehand. I think I'm good. I think I'm gonna wait to eat until later.
Huh?
I had a little snack before I came over here at school today.
You had food before coming over for Thanksgiving dinner.
I was hungry.
You were hungry. That's exactly why I spent the last hour and a half making Thanksgiving dinner specifically for you and Ryan. So why in God's green earth would you ever think it was a good idea to eat before coming over for Thanksgiving dinner, Chris?
Tom, I'll take a plate
No,
home.
you're not taking anything home. Because I spent the last hour and a half preparing this meal for you. And Ryan, who all of a sudden got sick. So is there something you want to tell me? Is there something you want to get off your chest?
Tom, I'll try.
You're not just going to try it, Chris. You're not just going to try. You're going to eat all of it. Every last bite until it's all gone.
All right.
Oh, going for the chicken, I see. Good choice.
What do you stuff this with?
Gumballs and marshmallows and some other stuff that's irrelevant. Yeah, tell me what you think.
It's soggy.
Well, yeah, it's chicken, Chris.
Alright, here goes nothing.
This is amazing! Yeah? Yeah?
You really outdid yourself. This is delicious.
I'm really glad you like it this much, man. I thought it was going to go to waste once Ryan left, but nope.
So good. So good.
Well, slow down there, cowboy. You gotta give yourself an upset stomach. Why? You ate the whole turkey. Chris, what are you doing? Chris, you're gonna make a mess.
It's so good.
I don't understand. Chris, try the hot dog pie.
Oh. Screw it.
Oh my, you really like it, huh, Chris? Wait, save some for me. Keep passing it over. Passing it over. Oh my goodness, it looks better than that. I didn't even think it looked that good. Now I'm like looking at it like on a straightaway, you know? Chris? Chris? First grandma now. First grandma now, Chris. How come I can't ever make a Thanksgiving dinner without somebody dying? Oh, screw it.